Students, you were asking about the version of site editor and which JDK you have to install. See, here in my PC I have installed site 352 and JDK 7U65 for Windows 64 bits. Okay, so you install this in you download it, and then we will you can install it. You know how to install it. Then now first we will learn how to set a path variable. As I have already explained you, we have a site editor. Site editor is only a text editor which allows us to write the program of Java. Now it helps us to write many other languages also, C++ also, we can also write JavaScript. So same way it also helps us to write a Java program, but we need a compiler, JavaC compiler to compile the program. We also need a JRE runtime environment to run the program. So for that we have to set a path variable. We have to create a path variable so that it can be linked to our site editor. Now see what we are doing for that. You have already installed the Java, which would be have been installed in your program files, and also you have installed a site editor. Now here right click on your My Computers icon, go to properties. Here you see the control panel available. Then here click on advanced system settings. In advanced system settings you click on environment variables. Here I have already created a path, but how I have created I will show you. You click on new. You are going to create a variable here, path variable, and you put the name as path. Now we have to find the destination of the path, and our destination of our path is our Java's JDK Java Development Kit path. We have to copy and paste here, and I have also copied and pasted the Java runtime environments path. So how to do it? See here in my program files, I have got a folder Java. There I have two folders, JDK and JRE. Now click on JDK first, then just click on bin. Now this is the path that I have to copy. To how to copy this path? Click here and from here copy it. I had copied it there and I am pasting it here, variable value. Now after pasting it, you can we have to put a semicolon here, and now we will copy and paste the JRE path same way. I am in the JDK window right now. I will go back. JRE, same way I have to select the bin. Here I have to copy this path. Coming back to my page where I am creating the path variable, I am copying and pasting it here, and again I have to put a semicolon. I click on OK. My path variable is set here. See here, I have already set the path variable. Without doing this, you cannot run the program on the site editor. You have to first create this path variable, then and then only you are able to run the program in site editor. See children, here in JDK we have already copied the path, we have created the variable, but just I want to show you that sorry, I just want to show you that here in this bin we have this two application which we are going to. JavaC is a compiler which is helping us to compile our Java program, and here Java is the application which help us to run the program.